Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take you on a thrilling journey into the world of aloe vera farming, where adventure, engagement, and stunning visuals come together to create an unforgettable experience. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. Aloe vera farming is a business module that's not only fascinating but also incredibly engaging. Picture this: you're in the heart of a lush, green farm, surrounded by the soothing sound of rustling leaves and the gentle hum of bees. The sun is shining, and the air is filled with the sweet, refreshing scent of aloe vera. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this business module. Aloe vera farming is a great way to earn a living, as it's relatively easy to start and maintain. You can grow aloe vera in a variety of climates, making it a versatile crop. Plus, the demand for aloe vera products is on the rise, so you're sure to find a market for your produce. But that's not all. Aloe vera farming is also a fantastic way to connect with nature and learn about sustainable agriculture. You'll get to witness the entire life cycle of the aloe vera plant, from seed to harvest. And let's not forget the health benefits of aloe vera. It's a natural remedy for a wide range of ailments, and you'll be able to use it to create your own products. Now, let's talk about the visuals. Aloe vera farming is a stunningly beautiful business module, with lush green fields, vibrant flowers, and the occasional bee buzzing by. The visuals are sure to captivate you and make you want to dive right into this business module. So, there you have it, folks. Aloe vera farming is a thrilling, engaging, and visually stunning business module that's worth exploring. If you're interested in learning more about this fascinating industry, be sure to check out our other videos on aloe vera farming. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.